Hey, what's up, everyone? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick review of our 6-foot artificial Christmas tree. This actually just showed up. We just got it done setting it up out of the box, and I have to say I'm actually really pleased with kind of the aesthetic and how it looks. It does look very, doesn't obviously look fake, and it is very aesthetically pleasing. Some of the reasons why we went fake this year is we looking for real trees just became too much of a hassle, and we decided, hey, you know what, we might as well just go fake this year. This is the year that we go fake, and honestly, I'm kind of glad that we did, because now at the end of the year we can just put this away and not have to worry about going tree hunting next year. And also, all of the branches on this they're all uniform of the same strength. You can hang some pretty heavy ornaments. It's not like with a real tree where you kind of, you have to find the one branch that's actually really good to hang that heavy ornament. They're all the same. It came in 3 pieces, so let me back up here for a bit. There's a seam right about there in the tree, and then there's a seam right about there, and the whole tree is 6 foot, so it comes in about 2-foot sections. Essentially, they stack on top of each other. So I can get the camera in here with the little trunk. That's actually one of the seams in there. You'll see I've got the red branches, and then above it is, I think it's blue, white. I can't get the camera in there, but it's a different color to let you know that it's a different set of branches. Basically, how it works is these branches, they just kind of come down, and then they come all in one kind of bundle, and you kind of have to like fluff them out and push it back. But overall, it was a really easy setup. You really didn't need the directions. Basically, the base was super simple to set up. Put the little screws in there to keep it there, stack the pieces, and then fluff out the branches. It took me, I want to say, about half an hour, maybe 45 minutes to get everything fluffed, because there is like 800 branches. It's tedious, but it's not hard. Overall, I am really happy with the purchase. I'm just trying to back up here so you can see it. The camera's being a little bit of a pain, but yeah, overall happy with the purchase. Can't wait to get it decorated. I do highly recommend it. And here's what it looks like after we have it all decorated. So again, it does take the lights very well. My daughters are 2 and 4, so we're not going to have too many glass ornaments on here. So we made the paper chains, and then as well as their foam ornaments. But yeah, it does take the lights very well. And again, recommend the tree.
Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.